Ever wondered if you could fit a boat in a backpack? Well, I think I just figured out how. Today, I'm gonna show you a brand new part I designed and how it turns two simple milk jugs into a modular boat you can carry anywhere. So my earlier version of this milk jug boat was built with two heavy wooden planks to form a cross-shaped frame. The jugs were attached at the ends, and I even added a motor and remote control. It worked, but it was just way too bulky, almost half a meter wide and 60 centimeters long. It didn't fit in the backpack, and carrying it around, especially on a bike, was a huge pain. So I knew I needed a modular design, something I could break down, pack up, and put back together quickly by the water. The main problem was figuring out how to lock the jugs onto the frame in a reusable, standardized way. So I designed a custom 3D printed bracket that clamps right onto the jug handle. This bracket basically does two things. First, it locks the jug in place so there's zero wobble. And second, it gives me two clean holes to pass connecting rods through. Instead of heavy planks, I started using simple wooden dowels as the cross beams. They're much lighter and easier to carry. With the brackets printed and mounted, I tried something new, packing everything to my backpack. And it worked. Compared to my old bulky version, this one was so much easier to carry. At the lake, I pulled everything out, two jugs and two rods, and in less than a minute, the whole frame was put together. Then came the real test. Would it actually float? I placed it gently in the water, and yes, it floated perfectly. I even pushed it down so the rods were fully soaked, just to see what would happen. And it still held up exactly as expected. But when I tried to take it apart afterwards, I realized something. The wooden dowels had swelled up from the water. Even after loosening the screws, they were stuck so tight I couldn't pull them out. That's when I knew I needed a better material. So I ordered carbon fiber rolls. They won't swell and they'll make the whole frame a lot stronger. They are already on the way and I'll be testing them soon. So what's next? This is just step one. I proved that I can carry a modular boat in my backpack and set it up by the water in under a minute. Next, I'll keep refining the design and eventually move all the features from the old version, including the motor and remote control system, onto this new portable frame. Stay tuned for the next one, where this little backpack boat will finally get some real power. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.